This is the second day that I'm wearing my hair, and you can already tell that it's just really flat to my head. And this is mainly because I've been growing out my natural color. As you see, all of this is my natural color, and I don't know what it is, but colored hair just stays more dry, like the roots stay more dry. I remember when I was kind of bleaching my hair a little bit, or did like highlights, and I've had all kinds of crazy colors, my hair was just not getting that quickly greasy. But now, as you see, it's the second day and I'm already like this. So I just wanted to show you how I deal with my hair a little bit, and when I go from this kind of mess that I have now, like these kinds of ends, to something more polished and neat in just a few simple things, like a few simple steps basically. And I'm gonna be using extensions in this video, so keep an eye for that. You can just do this with your regular hair, but I just want to show you how I style it. And I'm gonna be taking this Batiste XXL dry shampoo plus heavenly volume. I've been using this for years. I really like this dry shampoo, and I'm just gonna generously spray it on my roots. A lot of people don't know that dry shampoo even exists, so they wash their hair every day. That's so bad for your natural hair oils, because you over dry your scalp, and actually your scalp produces more oil if you start washing your hair daily, actually. Right, so I just put a little bit of that. Then I'm gonna take the Batiste XXL volume spray, which is kind of like a texturizing spray, I guess, and it just gives a little more volume. And I'm not gonna spray this on the roots directly, but kind of like in the middle part, like the middle shaft. Okay, just a little bit. So once that is done, I'm gonna start putting in my extensions. And the extensions I bought these with my own money. These are from FoxyLocks. I think they are okay for the price. I mean, the quality is not something like super out of this world. I think they work well. Maybe I would have gotten a heavier version of this. So I'm taking a teasing comb. I'm just gonna use this end. I'm not gonna tease anything at the moment, but I'm gonna separate my hair, and I'll try actually to turn my back so you can see how I clip them in. What is it with me? I can't pronounce words. Okay. And I take one of these clips also to get my hair out of the way. So I'm going to spray a little bit of the dry shampoo on the roots. I'm going to take the weft and clip it in, not like usually, but backwards. So basically just flipping the hair around like this and clipping from the downside. See? This is because we're gonna do the ponytail, and when you lift your hair up like this, it's gonna kind of go together really nicely. So don't put the weft like really low, but somewhere in the middle, like the beginning of your ear, like the top of your ear, I think should be fine. Alright, and again from the back, like this. 1, 2, 3, and it's easy as that, okay? Now for the sides, because I want to add a little more volume on the sides as well, I'm going to use the 2 clip wefts. Here is your point where you always kind of remember where to put all the stuff. So I sectioned it here, right before my ear. Here. And I will concentrate this on the middle part here. Not too low, not too high, otherwise you'll see it. Okay. I think I'm gonna just clip one last bit here in the crown area, okay? One weft clip like this. And this time not flipping around, but it's gonna go down because it's gonna be the central part of the ponytail, like this. So once that's done, I'm gonna take the Tangle teaser and just brush my hair through. Make sure there's no knots or anything like that. I hate these little baby hairs. I'm gonna show you how I get them down to the scalp, but see, they're like growing out. They're growing out so much. Yeah, I need to tease the sides a little bit as well, because actually my hair is just fine. The hairspray that I really like at the moment is by Schwarzkopf. It's called the Silhouette one. I feel like when you spray it in, and if you want to brush through after, it's totally possible. There's endless styling possibilities with this one. So I sprayed this part, and I'm going to spray a little bit on top. This part, just a little bit. And flatten it. And the sides, before I even put it up, you see, I just kind of like spray it. So there's a little tiny coat of hairspray that already holds everything together. I'm just gonna collect the whole head. The whole head of hair. And I'm gonna go a little more up with Ponytail. Okay. And when you do this, when you feel like it's smooth, so basically this hairband I have from Session Styling, it's a hairband that is not a hairband. It's basically a strand of elastic with hooks on both ends. See, I hooked it in and then wrap it around. Okay, wrap it around 2 times. Okay, and hook it somewhere you feel it's safe and snug. This gel, which is the Echo Professional Styling Gel with olive oil. This is a really cool product actually. You can use it for all types of hair. I just took a little bit on my finger and just ever so slightly, just kind of like, just spread it evenly. A lot of people use like, I've seen like toothbrushes and stuff like that to get these little baby hairs into place. But I can use the tip of this brush as well. Alright, and so the last step is just to spray, hairspray, also on the ends, so the curls stay longer. And yeah, this is the final reveal. So yeah guys, that is basically it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this really quick hairstyle video. For me, I always struggle doing hair myself. I don't know why. On other people I can do it really well, but on myself it's like a little strange. I don't know. So yeah, tell me what you think in the comment section below if you would like to see more hair tutorials or hair related videos from me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look. Also, the makeup look that I'm wearing is, the link is down below if you would like to see how I did this. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching guys, and I will speak to you all in the next video.